Yeah, yeah. Hello, subscribers. There's probably like only 2 of you, anyway, so whatever. But you're still watching, which is the main thing. Last video didn't go exactly as planned because I wanted to do a alphabet video and I didn't manage to do that. I've decided not to bother with that, so sorry. You know, it is what it is. Oh, today, Marysia and me are I'm going to style her hair, right? I've already wetted her hair ends and I'm going to style it using putty and a comb. Let's see how it works. I actually don't know what I'm doing, it's impromptu. At this point. Maybe if I had some hair rollers. But no, I don't think that would work. Or would it? I'm massaging this into your artificial scalp. I'm saying to you because it doesn't matter what I do. No one is going to watch this at all except my subscribers, and there's only 2, or maybe just 3. La la la, la la la, da 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 da. Wait, maybe I should actually say what I'm doing. Right, so I do not have like hair rollers. Well, I do, but I'm just not bothering to use them because I did not know I'd be needing them. But, you know, here we are, I guess. Also, heat doesn't really work with nylon. That being said, I do have ones that aren't heatless, but I just can't get them to operate, you know? Mm. No, 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 it's not working. I might need more. Wait, how much does it say I need? Right, can you even see me? Is this being filmed? If not, then I'll film tomorrow. No, I just assumed this is being filmed. Because I did not get this camera ready, my dad did. Yes, more moist hair to work with. Okay, I'm now trying to detangle out of the mess I created. Yay. Sorry, Marysia. I mean, whatever you're an Inuit doorhead or just used for YouTube videos, but whatever. It's fun to talk to you. The other channels with doorheads don't do that, so I guess that's something I offer. Except twist and shout. And my suffering. Okay, if this doesn't work, I'm completely giving up. And it doesn't work. Right, so another thing I could do is, of course, wait, hang on, what did it say again? Where's the instructions? Well, manipulates the hair in any other direction, so at least that. And no instructions. Doesn't say how much I need to use. Yay, oh. Rub a small amount between the hands and work through the hair through the root. She's a doorhead, she don't have roots. Sculpt and shape. Use sparingly. You know. It starts with one. It's times like this I wish I had a probably been. Always have the correct terminologies for them. But I don't have them. Oh. So that's that. How to me spontaneously deciding to use style Marysia's hair into what has turned into half a messy roll. And like not even a good roll, but like those ones which don't have strawberry jam in. Like, what's the point? Instead it's like something chocolate or, yeah. No, if you want chocolate, that's fine, but don't have it in a baked good. Why? No, that's just counterproductive. And most of the time, it's not even real chocolate. Hang on. Well, to fill the time slot, I could just go on a tangent about stuff. Favourite rapper? No, no one's interested in that. I'm doing, what am I doing? I don't know what to do now. So, all in all, this has been an interesting video, a bit different from the others, since I wasn't giving clear, explicit instructions and was just deciding to style it on my own. But, you know, the people watching this are either too lazy to style their own hair or professionals. So that hardly even matters. Right. Goodbye, I guess. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Oh wait, you've you've already done that because no one else watches my videos. Well then at least like, share, comment and all that other stuff. But like, you don't have to, like, I don't make money off this channel. That's like impossible, really. Bye for now. I'll finish this hair thingy off screen, I guess, because I can't really get up whilst filming.